Lenghu, on the north side of China's Qing-Hai-Tibet plateau, enjoys the advantages of clear night skies, stable atmospheric conditions, and a dry climate, making it one of the world's best astronomical observatory sites. Construction of the Lenghu site started in 2018. Upon its completion, it will house at least 9 optical astronomical telescope projects, including some 30 telescopes with an investment of nearly 2 billion yuan.
经过我们这个3年的连续监测，我们比较了这个国际上就中纬度地区的这些大型天文台，冷湖大概是一个国际上的一流这种水平。冷湖是青藏高原地区整个东半球里头唯一一个确认的光学天文台址，所以这个在以后开展国际合作，对一些特殊现象的联合观测上面有独特的优势。
Among these newly built projects, a new solar observation facility started a test run recently. The accurate infrared magnetic field measurements of the sun is the first solar magnetic field telescope working in the mid-infrared wavelengths in the world.
这个太阳磁场呢，它在这个太阳物理里边呢，它是起了一个非常重要的作用。因为太阳磁场呢是太阳活动的起源。我们这个项目呢，相当于它在中红外观测，它的作用呢是能够更精确地测量太阳磁场，这样就为这个太阳活动的爆发呢提供更准确的那个太阳预报模型。